brutalist contemporary house design entwined with nature to enjoy the time and the beautiful landscape. Introduction: a harmonious blend of brutalism and nature. Welcome to another exciting video on the Decor Essence YouTube channel. In this video, we will explore a captivating architectural design that is making waves in contemporary home design, the brutalist contemporary house intertwined with nature. Brutalism, often known for its raw concrete aesthetics and striking geometric shapes, takes on a softer, more harmonious form when integrated with the beauty of nature. These homes offer an impressive way to embrace minimalism while fully appreciating the surrounding landscape. If you're passionate about unique architectural designs and the balance between harsh structural elements and the soothing qualities of nature, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more incredible design inspirations. Let's dive right into the fascinating world of brutalist homes connected with nature. Design philosophy: simplicity meets raw beauty. Brutalist architecture is often misunderstood for its austere and sometimes intimidating appearance. However, when these homes are entwined with the beauty of nature, the result is a stunningly peaceful fusion of structure and environment. The design philosophy behind brutalism is simple: it focuses on function, raw materials, and an honest expression of structure. Concrete, steel, and glass are typically used as the primary materials, but they take on new life when incorporated into the natural environment. The beauty lies in how these elements Structural design, concrete meets the landscape. In brutalist contemporary homes, concrete is often the star of the show. This strong, raw material is used for walls, floors, and even roofing, creating a sense of permanence and boldness. However, the key to integrating brutalism with nature is the careful placement of these structures within the landscape. Large windows and open spaces invite natural light to flood the interiors, while strategic landscaping allows the house to blend into its surroundings. This design philosophy focuses on maximizing the natural integration, the importance of landscape. The importance of the surrounding landscape cannot be overstated in brutalist contemporary house design. These homes are often built in locations where nature can be fully appreciated, whether that be a rugged mountainside, a forest clearing, or a coastal bluff. The natural environment becomes an extension of the home itself, with the house designed to fit organically into the land. Sliding glass doors, open terraces, and expansive windows blur the lines between inside and outside, creating an indoor-outdoor living experience. The use of functional design, comfort and practicality. While brutalist homes may appear austere from the outside, they are anything but inside. The integration of nature not only enhances the beauty of the space but also improves its functionality. These homes are designed with the highest levels of comfort and practicality in mind. Open floor plans, large living spaces, and modern amenities ensure that the home is livable for families or individuals. The focus on natural materials such as wood and stone inside the home brings warmth to the otherwise cold concrete surfaces. Sustainability, eco-friendly features. One of the key benefits of brutalist contemporary house design entwined with nature is its commitment to sustainability. These homes are often designed with eco-friendly features such as solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and green roofs. The emphasis on using natural, locally sourced materials also reduces the environmental impact of construction. The layout of the house is designed to maximize energy efficiency, with strategic placement to take advantage of sunlight and natural ventilation. The integration of natural landscaping further supports The role of outdoor spaces, terraces and gardens. Outdoor spaces play an integral role in brutalist contemporary homes. The harsh concrete exteriors are balanced by the lush greenery of gardens and terraces, which serve as extensions of the living areas. Large outdoor terraces and balconies provide stunning views of the surrounding landscape, creating perfect spaces for relaxation and entertainment. Terraces often feature comfortable seating areas, fire pits, and even outdoor kitchens, making them ideal for socializing. The gardens, often designed with native plants, complement the brutalist architecture. Architectural innovation, pushing the boundaries of design. Brutalist contemporary homes are at the forefront of architectural innovation. These designs push the boundaries of what is traditionally thought of as a home, embracing bold shapes and unexpected layouts. Architects are continually experimenting with new ways to integrate brutalist elements with nature, resulting in designs that are both visually striking and functional. By using concrete in new and creative ways, these homes challenge traditional architectural norms and offer a fresh perspective on modern living. The emotional impact, creating a space to connect. The brutalist contemporary house design entwined with nature also has a profound emotional impact on its inhabitants. The experience of living in a space that is both raw and natural evokes feelings of calm, tranquility, and connection to the earth. The stark beauty of concrete paired with the natural landscape creates a sense of awe and reverence. Whether it's the feeling of standing in front of a floor-to-ceiling window with a breathtaking view or relaxing in a garden surrounded by nature, these homes encourage a deep emotional connection to the environment. Conclusion: a harmonious blend for the future. Brutalist contemporary house design entwined with nature offers a perfect balance of strength, beauty, and functionality. These homes are not just places to live, they are spaces that connect their inhabitants to the land, offering a seamless experience of indoor-outdoor living. With sustainability, innovation, and emotional connection at the heart of these designs, they provide a glimpse into the future of architecture. As we continue to look for ways to live in harmony with nature, brutalism offers an exciting and refreshing approach to creating homes that are as much a part of the landscape as they are structures of modern design.